Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss English grammar adverb. What is an adverb? Its types and its examples. Adverb. An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies verbs. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. जो हमें वर्ड्स वर्ब की और क्वालिटीज़ के बारे में बताए उन्हें हम एडवर्ब कहते हैं. लाइक देयर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल, ही रन्स वेरी फास्ट. फास्ट क्या है? इसमें एडवर्ब है जो वर्ब की क्वालिटी को बता रहा है. इट क्वालिफाइज और मॉडिफाइज ए वर्ब. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स एन एडवर्ब कुड बी डिफाइंड एज ए वर्ड दैट इज़ यूज्ड एज ए प्रीफिक्स टू ऐड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. जो किसी भी वर्ब की मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन बताए उसे हम एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. अबाउट द प्लेस, टाइम, मैनर, कोज और डिग्री टू ए वर्ब, एन एडजेक्टिव, a phrase or another adverb. The use of an adverb makes a sentence more meaningful and coherent. Coherent means which can make the word or sentence to understand easily. A sentence without an adverb might be grammatically correct yet feels incomplete. Means adverb के बिना करेक्ट तो होता है सेंटेंस, बट वो उसे क्या कर देता है, उसे इनकम्प्लीट सा लगता है. बट जब हम उसमें एडवर्ब यूज़ कर देते हैं किसी भी सेंटेंस में तो बहुत ज़्यादा मीनिंगफुल बना देता है और अट्रैक्टिव बना देता है सेंटेंस को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई टीचर विल कॉन्टेक्ट यू. दिस इज द सिंपल सेंटेंस. माई टीचर विल कॉन्टेक्ट यू शॉर्टली. शॉर्टली इज एन एडवर्ब विच कैन मेक द सेंटेंस मोर मीनिंगफुल. लाइक क्विकली, नेवर, incredible, actually. These are all the examples of adverbs which can make the sentence more attractive and meaningful. Types of adverbs. Adverbs कितने टाइप के होते हैं? There are many types of adverbs like adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverb of degree, conjunctive adverbs, adverb of purpose, focusing adverbs. adverb of manner. adverb of manner क्या होता है और किस तरह से यूज़ किया जाता है? an adverb of manner changes or modify a sentence to tell us how something happens. कोई चीज़ किस तरह से होती है, यहाँ क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है how. adverb of manner such as whether it was quickly or slowly. They are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. ये mainly verb के बाद ही यूज़ किए जाते हैं. Just like other adverbs, they can provide more details to sentence, giving the reader a clearer picture like loudly, weakly, gently, cheerfully, tightly, wisely, and honestly. These are some examples of adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, it can tell the answer of how, कि कोई चीज़ किस तरह से happen हो रही है, उसे हम बोलते हैं adverb of manner. Like he eats gently. Sita coughed loudly in the class. They played well. Gently, loudly, well. These are the examples of adverb of manner. Next, adverb of time. adverb of time क्या होता है? words that denote time of an action, the duration of the action, and number of times the action repeats are known as adverb of time. means जो duration बताए time की कि कितनी बार repeat हो रहा है और कितनी बार इस action को किया जा रहा है. it is usually used at the end of a sentence. sentence के end में यूज़ किया जाता है. like soon, now, later, then, tomorrow, today, day after tomorrow, weekly, every day, immediately are some examples of adverb of time. For example, I will call you later. I have to leave now. I am going to buy a new car tomorrow. Like later, now, tomorrow are the examples of adverb of time जो हमें ड्यूरेशन बताता है कि कोई भी काम कब होना है, उसे हम बोलते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. नेक्स्ट, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस क्या होते हैं? इट टेल्स अस वेयर समथिंग हैपन्स. The question is where is always used in adverb of place. They are usually placed after the main verb. ये मेन वर्ब के बाद यूज किए जाते हैं. और after the clause that they modify. It don't modify adjectives or other adverbs like here, everywhere, outside, away, around, etc. Are the examples of adverb of place. कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ यूज़ की जा रही है. Where, like everywhere, outside, away, around. These are all the examples of adverb of place. For example, the kids are downstairs. I live nearby. It's very sunny but cold outside. Downstairs, nearby, outside are the examples of adverb of place. Next, adverb of frequency. Frequency means कितनी बार कोई चीज़ यूज़ की जा रही है, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है. It always describes how often something occurs, either in definite or indefinite terms. An adverb that describes definite frequency is one such as weekly, daily, or yearly. An adverb describing indefinite frequency doesn't specify an exact time frame. Examples are sometimes, often, and rarely. कोई भी वर्ड कितनी बार यूज़ किया जा रहा है, हाउ ऑफन इट यूज्ड इज कॉल्ड एन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. लाइक वीकली यूज़ किया जा रहा है, डेली यूज़ किया जा रहा है, समटाइम्स यूज़ किया जा रहा है, या रेयरली यूज़ किया जा रहा है, तो उसे हम एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. लाइक ही ऑलवेज डज हिज होमवर्क. दे रेयरली हैव एनी होमवर्क. आई ऑफन वॉच मूवीज ऑनलाइन. लाइक ऑलवेज, rarely, often, these are the example of adverb of frequency. Next, adverb of degree. Adverb of degree क्या होती हैं? It help us to express how much or to what extent we do something. They can either intensify the meaning I am extremely hungry or make it weaker. I am fairly certain I locked the door. It includes very slightly, quite, totally, fairly, absolutely and extremely. Like adverb of degree क्या होती है? How much time it will use. मतलब कितनी बार उसको कितना स्ट्रेस देकर यूज़ किया जाता है. Like I am extremely hungry. Hungry को क्या किया गया? स्ट्रेस दिया गया extremely से. I am fairly certain I locked the door. Fairly. These are the examples of adverb of degree. Like some vegetables are extremely toxic. The performance was a huge hit. It made me terribly sad. Extremely, huge, terribly are the examples of adverb of degree. Next, conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverb क्या होती हैं? Conjunctive, जैसे इसके नेम से ही पता चल रहा है, कंजक्ट करना, जोड़ना, दो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करना. Joining two independent clauses with a conjunctive adverb creates a compound sentence. Compound sentence create करते हैं जब हम independent clauses को join करते हैं. Some examples are accordingly, finally, next, otherwise, still, therefore, moreover, etc. Like the due date for the final paper has passed, therefore I couldn't submit mine on time. She went into the store, however, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy. Therefore and however is the conjunctive adverb which can make or join two sentences. Like this is the one sentence, the due date for the final paper has passed, and the second sentence is I couldn't submit mine on time. Therefore is the conjunctive adverb which can join two sentences or independent clauses. Next, adverb of purpose. What is adverb of purpose? Adverb of purpose sometimes called adverb of reason. इसे हम adverb of reason भी बोलते हैं. Tell us why something happens. Why, कि कोई चीज़ क्यों happen हो रही है. Why. or is the case they can modify verbs, adjectives or adverbs. Mainly, adverb of purpose tells why something happened. They answer the question why. इसमें why का आंसर किया जाता है कि कोई चीज़ क्यों हैपन हो रही है. Examples are, I packed an umbrella in case it rains. I packed an umbrella. Why? In case it rains. We left early. Why? So that we could beat the traffic. We can give the answer of why in these sentences. These are called mainly adverb of purpose. Next, focusing adverbs. What is focusing adverb? They are used to draw attention to a particular part of a clause. They frequently point to verb phrase, but they can also draw attention like only, just, especially, even, either or neither, etc. फोकसिंग एडवर्ब क्या होती हैं? जो अटेंशन को फोकस करते हैं कि वो कहाँ पे हम अटेंशन दे रहे हैं उसको, लाइक ओनली, जस्ट, स्पेशली, इवन, ईदर, नीदर, एट्सेट्रा. लाइक she not only speaks English, she speaks French as well. He not only sings, he plays the piano too, as well, and too are the examples of focusing adverbs. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.